ক্লাস 10 ইংলিশ অল সামার ইন এ ডে লেসন 5। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। This text is an expert from a science fiction which gives us an imaginary account of life on the planet Venus. It touching narrates the keen expectations of the children of Venus who eagerly wait for the sun to appear after 7 years but only for an hour. এই পাঠ্যাংশটি একটি কল্পবিজ্ঞান বই থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে, যা আমাদের শুক্রবারের বসবাসকারীদের জীবন মাত্রার সম্বন্ধে কাল্পনিক বিবরণ দেয়। এতে সুস্পষ্টভাবে বর্ণিত আছে কীভাবে শুক্র গ্রহের বাচ্চারা 7 গ্রহে অপেক্ষা করে কখন 7 বছর পরে আবার সূর্য উঠবে, কিন্তু একটিমাত্র ঘন্টার জন্যে। It had been raining for 7 years. Thousands upon thousands of days filled from one end to the other with rain. The days were filled with the gush of water and endless showers. Heavy storms caused tidal waves to come over the islands. A thousands foreign crowds Bhandar. The rain had gone up 1,000 times to be crushed again. This was the way of life forever of the children of the buildings, to men and women who came by rockets from Earth. They set up a civilization in these raining worlds. Ready, now, soon. Will it happen today? Will it? Look, see for evidence. The children in the schoolroom chattered and pressed to each other like so many roses. They peered out of the window to look at the hidden sun. The children were all 9 years old when the sun came out last time 7 years ago. They were too young. They could not recall the sun when it came out for just an hour and showered its face to the stunned world. All day yesterday they had read in class about the sun. They learned all day yesterday they had read in class about the sun. They learned how light a lamp in was and how hot. They had written small stories, essays, or poems about it. I think the sun is a flower that blooms for just an hour. That was yesterday. Today, at this moment, the rain was scanning the children gathered at the gate thick windows. Was our teacher? She will be back. She must hurry. Or she will miss it. The rain scanned still more. The children were eager to see the sun. They had been on Venus all their lives. They had been only 2 years old when the sun last came out. They had long since forgotten the color and the heat of how it really was. They felt in the echoing tunnel of the underground city and sun of summer and the sun. The rain stopped. It was as if a hurricane had lost its sound. There were no motions or tremor but peace. The world grounded to a standstill. The silence stands still. The silence was so immense one would feel as if the ears had been stuffed. The children put their hands to their ears. They stood apart. The door sneaked back. The smell of the licensed waiting world came to them. The sun came out. It was the color of flaming bones and it was very large. The sky around it was blazing blue. The jungle burned with sunlight. The children released it from their space, rushed about, yelling into the summertime. Now don't you go too far. Their teacher called after them. If only an hour, you know. The children were running and turning up their faces to the sky to feel the warm sun on their cheeks. They took off their jackets and let the sun warm their arms. Oh, it's better than lamb slice. It's not it. Much better. They stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus. The jungle grew and never stopped growing. The jungle had spent years without sun. It was the color of rubber, ash and ink. The children lay out laughing on the jungle mattress. They ran among the trees. They slipped and fell. They pushed each other and played hide and seek. Most of all, they squinted at the sun until tears ran down their faces. They beat the fresh air and listened to the silence which held them in a vast sea of no sound. They looked at everything and said but everything them whitely like animals escaped from their caves. They ran and ran, shouting in circles. They ran for an hour and did not stop running. And then in the midst of their running, one of the girls yelled. Everyone stopped. The girl standing in the open held out her hand. "We look," she said, trembling. The children gathered slowly to look at her open palm. In the center of it was a single large raindrop. The girl began to cry looking at it. The children grasped quickly at the sky. A few cold drops fell on their noses and their cheeks and their mouth. The sun faded behind a cloud of mist. A cool wind blew around them. They turned and slowly walked towards their underground houses. Their smiles had vanished. A boom of thunder startled them. They tumbled upon each other and ran. Oh, oh, lightning struck off around them. The sky darkened into midnight in a flash. The children stood at the doorway to the underground houses until it was raining hard. Then across the doors and how the gigantic sound of the rain falling everywhere will eat the 7 more years before the sun comes out again. Yes, with pale faces they looked out of the windows. The world that was raining now, raining and raining steadily. Take the correct answer from the given alternatives. Me and the Numan came from the Earth to Venus by satellites. The children learned that the sun was like a lemon. The children had long forgotten the color of the sun. When the children felt warm in the sun, they took off their jackets. The children came to know that the sun would come out after 7 years. Answer the following questions within 15 words. How did the heavy storms affect the island of Venus? Heavy storm caused the tidal waves to come over the islands of Venus and Earth thousands forests. What did the children write about the sun? The children wrote small stories, essays, and poems about the sun. Where did the children play? The children played in the echoing tunnels of the underground city. How did the jungle in Venus look? The color of the jungle looked like rubber, ash, and ink. Why were the children eager to see the sun? The children were eager to see the sun because the sun is coming out for just 1 hour 7 long years. What did the children do immediately after the rain stopped? They stopped running and turning their faces towards the sky to feel the warm sun on their cheeks and took off their jackets, letting the sun warm their hands. Why do you think the children were feeling unhappy when it started raining again? The children were unhappy when it started raining again because they have to wait for another 7 years to see the sun giving out again. এখানে শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই দয়া করে লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও।